Hi, Todd Hurt here at InfoComm 2019 at West Penn Wire booth. Today we're going to take a look at some of our flexible, tactical Category 5e, Category 6 stage, tour, and studio assemblies. Our Category 5e and Category 6 cables can be used with RJ45 to RJ45 or with EtherCon Neutri connectors on them. We also offer flexible microphone and DMX for stage, tour, and studio environments. And this is our new product line that we're offering for those type of environments. You can visit our website at www.westpennwire.com.